Originally, I was going to do a video about is a $800 a month lifestyle possible here in Siem Reap. So the first thing I was doing was looking into apartments, which I pretty much knew what they cost. Then I decided, okay, let's take it really low. And I found some apartments that really surprised me for the price. So I'm going to go ahead and answer the question, how realistic is an $800 a month life here in Siem Reap? And the answer is absolutely. It all depends. It depends on whether or not you're willing to live in a $250, maybe a $200 or even $180 a month in the States. But here in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and throughout Cambodia, to be honest, some of the smaller towns, areas are $200 a month will get you even a nicer place in here, and they're pretty nice. So without further ado, let me show you what you can get. Now let me make sure you do know not all apartments are going to be this nice in that price range. To be honest, at $180 a month, this is a really nice place. And honestly, I would say this is better than average for a $200 a month apartment. This is another $200 a month apartment. This is awfully nice. The furniture is, especially the couch, it looks very, very nice. And you can get into most apartments for just rent and 1 month deposit. We're now in the $250 a month apartment, as you can see. You get a little bit better in this price range. Also, you could get a place with a pool. Some of them will have pools, not all. And as you see, this one does come with a pool. And to be honest, I just wasn't really checking around for units with pools. I probably could have got a couple from even $250 to $300. This is a very nice unit. This one has kind of a modern looking furniture. It's a very clean unit. I like the white tile floors. The bedroom is very large. This would be something very nice for $350 a month. Sofas like this with just those kind of pillows typically are not very comfortable. You can get cushions in different stores in Pub Street area, or even negotiate with the owner. Other than that, it's a very nice, roomy apartment. This is a $500 a month apartment. Very beautiful. I picked this after looking at a lot of $500 units. It's just an absolutely beautiful apartment. It does come with a pool. For the most part, anything over $400, most of them's going to have a pool. Anything in the $500 and up, yes. And very lucky if you are in that price range. I thought this was one of the more unique units at the $600 a month range. Very beautiful. You saw where you had a bed in the living room with a curtain over it, but it's a 2-bedroom apartment. And it is, judging by these pictures, magnificent. And that's the building it's in. I believe it's only a 8-unit And that's the apartment tour. Hope you enjoyed it. But since I already did a budget sheet for $800 a month income budget, I'm going to go ahead and list it. Only thing you have to change is the apartment rental costs. As you see, this is based on the $250 a month rent. You can adjust your food costs a little higher or lower depending on your tastes. And you can actually afford to eat out quite a few times a month for about the same price as what it takes to cook dinner, unless you're open to eating a lot of rice, which is fine, rice dishes. And as you see, the $768 a month is the total based on $250 a month rent.